Hi students, we are back again in our maths class, right? In our last class we proved a theorem. In that theorem what we proved? We proved that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? What we proved? हम लोगों ने क्या prove किया था? We proved that if we add all the three angles of the triangle, what we will get? We are going to get 180 degree, right students? We proved this theorem. I hope everyone is clear with this theorem. So today we are going to do some solutions based on that theorem. So in your question number 1, what was your question number 1? You have to find out the measures of this x, right? Measure of this x angle means you have to find the value of x from the given figure. Okay, so it is very easy, we know. Just look at the diagram everyone. What is given in the diagram? It is, suppose this is a diagram, right? It is x. I am drawing little more bigger, okay? This is 21 degree. Now here are three angles. I can write like this now, from the given figure. From the given figure. From the given figure what I will get? 21 degree plus x degree plus 19 degree equals to 180 degree. Why? Just see, these three are the measure of the angles. This one is measure of this angle, this one is measure of this angle, and this one is measure of this angle, right students? So if I add three of them, what should I get? 180 degree. And my reason is what? What reason I will write? Sum of all the angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Don't forget to write the reason. Okay students? Now you solve this and find the value of x. If I solve them, if I write it x here and if I add them, how much? 10, 1 carry, 40 degree equals to 180 degree. Now x equals to 180 degree minus 40 degree. Therefore x equals to what? 140 degree. Now children, if if I find one angle here 140 degree, do you know, I explained you at the very beginning, if in a triangle one angle is more than 90 degree, what type of triangle it is going to be? It is going to be obtuse angle triangle. So what type of triangle it is going to be? The other two angles are what? Less than 90 degree and the other one is more than 90 degree. So what type of triangle it is? It is obtuse. It is what? Obtuse angle triangle. Right students? Similarly, let us see question number D. Okay. So students, our question number D. B and C you try by yourself. Okay students? Let us do number D. Now see, in this figure, do you know what, any figure, if you draw any triangle, what does this sign symbolize? What does this sign symbolize? This sign means that this angle is what? 90 degree. We don't write 90 degree. But this sign, if this sign is given means the measure of this angle is what? 90 degree. This you have to assume it by yourself. It is already given in the form of sign. Don't forget this students, okay? This is very important. Now from the given figure, let us find the value of x. From the given figure. From the given figure what you are finding? X plus 90 degree. X plus what is the value of this angle? 90 degree equals to what? 180 degree. What you have to write reason here? Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Right students? Now x plus x, 2x. If I take this 90 that side, it will become minus 90, right? Now x equals to 180 minus 90, 90 degree, and this 2 will come here, equals to what? 45 degree. Therefore x equals to what? 45 degree. Now if you see, if this is 45 degree, what type of triangle it is? It is a right angle isosceles triangle, right? Because both the angles are same and it is a right angle also. So students, other 2 or 3 questions B, C and E, you will try it by your own, okay? And number 2 also I will show you 1 or 2 questions, others you will try it by yourself. Let's write question number 2. Is what? Let's read. find the value of x. You have to find the value of x if the three angles of the triangles are x, 2x and 3x. Now students, one thing you see, in our first question what it was given? It was given in the form of diagram, right? First question में क्या दिया हुआ था? डायग्राम के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ था और एंगल्स कैसे मार्क किया हुआ था? यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मार्क किया हुआ था. बट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में क्या कर दिया? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में डायग्राम ड्रॉ नहीं किया और एंगल्स को सेपरेटली लिख के दे दिया. Yes or no? Same thing students, in our first question it was written, it was shown us in the diagram in this way, but now our angles are given us in this way. The meaning is same. Always try to understand the question, always read the top question. Question is same. Find the value of x if the three angles of the triangles are this. That means these are all the three angles. If I write here like this, x, 2x and 3x, this became three angles now. So easily I can solve this also now. What I will do? The three angles, I have to write the statement now here. The three angles of a triangle are x degree, twice x and thrice x. Right? If you don't write degree also it's okay. Now we know. What we know, Ray? Tell anyone can say now like this, sum of what you have to write. If I add three angles, sum of all the three angles is sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Right students? Now if I add them, x plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x, 180 degree. So value of x is what? 180 degree by 6 equals to 30 degree. Therefore x equals to 30 degree. I found the value of x. Yes or no students? Similarly number B you will do by yourself and number D also you will do by yourself. I will show you number C. Okay. So students, now in our question what are the three angles? 1, 2, 3. It can be in any form. It can be in decimal form. It can be in fraction form. Right students? So it is given here in fraction form. So how we will solve in the fraction form? Let us see. We are going to write again the three angles of a triangle are thrice x, x by 2 and 5x by 2. Right students? So what we are going to do now? We know thrice x plus x by 2 plus 5x by 2 will be equals to what? 180 degree. Why? Sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I have already written it before also. Now what I can do? I have to take LCM. As it is fraction, I will take LCM. Of nothing is there means 1. I took the LCM. Now 1, 2, 2 3s are 6x plus x plus 5x equals to 180 degree. Now you add them. 12x by 2 equals to 180 degree. I can cancel this. 6x, x equals to 180 degree by 6 equals to 30 degree. Therefore x equals to how much? 30 degree. Right students? You can try other questions also. Similarly, you will try the other questions of number 1 and number 2. For today, let us end our class here. In next video, we will continue from question number 3. Okay students?